$150 billion is the total cost of the International Space Station. It is the most expensive object ever constructed. 3.7 billion miles is the furthest distance a picture of the Earth has been taken. 2 minutes is the amount of time a human being can survive in space unprotected. China's air pollution is visible from space. The Great Wall of China is not. There are not 24 hours in a day. 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds is the time it takes Earth to rotate on its axis. 38,000, the number of man-made objects that have orbited the Earth since the launch of Sputnik in 1957. 22,000 is the current number of man-made objects orbiting Earth that are 10 centimeters or larger. One object a day. NASA estimates an average that one piece of space junk returns to Earth each day.
$100 tons of small meteorites, mainly fragments of dust, enter the Earth's atmosphere every day. The largest meteor ever to fall to Earth left no crater. The Hoba meteorite was flat on both sides, so may have skipped through the atmosphere like a stone over water. The ozone hole is shrinking. In 2012, the hole in the layer was smaller than it has ever been in the last 10 years. 12 miles, the Armstrong limit, altitude at which it is necessary to wear a pressurized suit. With one, water boils at body temperature. 4.3 quadrillion, the value of Earth's atmosphere based on the price of CO2, 1.3 p per cubic meter. 8.6 million lightning strikes a day. You may have actually been able to outrun a Tyrannosaurus. Heavier than previously thought, an 8,000-kilogram T-Rex top speed was likely a little slower than an average human's.
Water on Earth is 97% salted and 3% fresh. Antarctica has as much ice as the Atlantic Ocean has water. 1 liter of seawater contains 13 billion of a gram of gold. 2,000, the average number of marine species described each year. 90% of rubbish in the world's ocean is plastic. 99% of the living space on Earth is represented by oceans. 8 to 12 fatalities per year caused by shark. 100 million sharks killed per year to harvest fins. Up to 1 million species live in the world's ocean, and 2/3 are yet to be described. 860 diameter. If all the water on Earth were scrunched up into a ball about as large as Saturn's ice moon theory. 90% of all volcanic activity occurs in the ocean. 10.9 kilometer, the depth of the deepest area of the ocean, the Marianas Trench.
Earth is the only planet in our solar system with plate tectonics. Without them, carbon wouldn't be consumed and recycled, and the Earth would overheat, just like Venus. Rare Earth elements are not rare. Lutetium, the least abundant rare Earth element, is nearly 200 times more common in the Earth's crust than gold. 99% of Earth's gold lies in its core, enough to form a 1.5-foot coat around the surface of the Earth. The temperature of the Earth's core is 5,500 Celsius or 9,900 Fahrenheit. It is as hot as the surface of the sun. A solid iron ball 1,500 miles wide sits at the heart of the Earth. Although it is white hot, the pressure is so high the iron cannot melt. The weight of the Earth's largest crystals is 55 tons. It is found beneath Mexico's Nica silver mine, 2.8 kilometers or 1.5 miles, the depth at which bacteria have been found. They survive by using radioactivity from uranium to convert water into usable energy. 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles. Below the Amazon River lies the Rio Hamza River. At some points, over 400 km wide, it flows at less than 1 mm per hour through rock. 12.4 over 6,371 kilometers or just about 0.2%. Depth of Earth's crust that the deepest ever borehole Russia's Sakhalin-1 drilled to, compared to the distance to the center of the Earth.
40 million tons, the amount of nutrient-rich dust that wind transports from the Sahara to the Amazon rainforest every year. In Turkmenistan, there is a door to hell. A collapsed gas well formed the crater that has burned for more than 40 years. 3.5 billion years. The age of bacteria fossils found in Australia. This is longer than Earth's atmosphere has had oxygen. The hottest temperature ever recorded in 1913, Fernand's Creek Ranch, California, USA. The hottest temperature ever recorded in 1913, Fernand's Creek Ranch, USA. 2 million years since the last rainfall in the driest place on Earth, the Dry Valley, Antarctica. Negative 89.2 degrees Celsius, the coldest temperature ever recorded in 1983. 2 cm, the distance that continents move every year. 75% of the Earth's animal species could be extinct within 300 years. 14%, the percentage of the world's species that have been identified.
"200,000 people are born every day. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey is the oldest known human-made religious structure, most likely erected in the 10th millennium BCE. 106 billion people have existed on planet Earth. 9.2 billion the population on Earth by 2050. 2 people die every second.